ছিল আবার একটা ভিডিও বানাতে থাকে যে এটা না যে এটা রোবলক্স দুর্গাপুর যা হয়েছি ম্যাম হয়েছি আমরা কই গেল এদের আমরা একটা ম্যাজিক দেখাই রাখেন দেখো একটা ম্যাজিক দেখো যদি আমি যদি প্লে বাটন টিপি না আমার ভাই ওর দেখতেছে দেখো এটা আমি যে হ্যাকার মোড আছে ভাই শুনে একটা হ্যাকার মোড থাকে আপনি এটা রিয়েল হ্যাকার মোড এটা খুব আমার কাজে লাগে থোড়া স্পিড রান করা যাক হ্যাকার মোডটি আমি কি আমার প্যাট কান ফাটা Totally here to time lege look guys repeat the magic look guys আমি এই যে এটা বোতল পেয়ে গেছি আমি এই যে এটা দিয়ে পাই কটন অন করি I can't believe you got a brain rot. Hello there. कैसे देखिए कि मैं लॉकिंग इधर कैसे लॉकिंग किया नहीं Don't worry. They are sleeping. They're still before they wake up. What do you have to do? Steal the brain rats. You stupid. Then it's easy. And then he went this way. And I go that way. Oh God. Oh my God. Give me tum set here. My first brain rot. What did I do? Watch me get a rare one. Nope. 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 Let's go. Pin one organization. Guys, help me. Greenland. Help me get that brain rat. Okay, let's do this. I am not sure if he's a hero or not. We will find it out. Speed run করতে হবে speed run yes it total actually সুখসুখে এটা টুলের দিয়ে নিচে দিয়ে তোমার হ্যাকার মোড লাগবে না
I will help you get a brain rest. I tried my best. Don't trust him. Please know, you will find a rare brain rest for you.
Like kote.
Shut up, all of you.
Keep item.
Not for you all. I am not keeping it anyway. Then give your prize.
Kita need a baby.
Bro is not tough. I found a mythic. Do you mind if I take this one? Okay, give me my item. Sorry you were late, so I took it. It's okay. I hate you already. You should help each other. Well, you're right. Childish. Your company often get rare brain rates. That's important. In green, you smell like zero, aren't you? Okay, I am sorry.
Push.
Find zero level, then I can do 100 level 2. By the way, there are no levels in this game.
Duska. It is very. Duska to ita galle.
Oh, you want to fight? Oh, wow, that's expensive.
Karsana. Yelling masana.
Go to sleep, Tom, Sahur. Maybe go with me. I didn't even steal. Stop following me, your brain rots. Come bring them. Look, it's a legendary.
Atta.
I'm going to steal it. Take it home. It's for you. Why are you telling me about this, old kid? Please, someone help me too. Sure. Get out! Greenlick. Go search a tutorial on how to be nice. I don't need it. Carl, come. Let's go.
Four.
Gimme rich. Yes. Not rich enough like me. All right, time to steal a new razor. Let's get together. We need to meet the Grey Rock. Okay. First time Carl said something logical.
So bright.
Nice. It's gone.
Get open again. Oh. Put it in.